Hey Insta creators and note takers. Welcome to AnHome channel, where we keep you ahead of the curve with the latest Instagram features. Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram Notes, the new way to share your thoughts in a flash. If you're ready to leave your digital mark, stick around as we guide you through the process. Let's get started. Instagram Notes let you share what's on your mind in a quick, fun way. Here's how you can start posting your own notes. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and tap the messaging icon to access your DM inbox. Step 2. Look for the Your Note section at the top. Step 3. Tap on it and type out your note. Remember, you've got 60 characters to play with. Step 4. You can also add a @mention, include music, or even a 2-second video. Step 5. Decide who sees your note by selecting either followers you follow back or close friends. Step 6. Hit share, and your note will be up for 24 hours for your friends to see and respond to. And just like that, you've sent a note into the Instaverse. It's a fantastic way to engage with your followers or just share a spontaneous thought. Remember, your notes vanish after a day, so keep the conversation fresh and fun. Happy noting!